Or capital P equal to x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. X belongs to the set of all integers. Okay, z, x belongs to z. Z means set of all integers. Q equal to the set of all prime factors of 220 equivalent sets. Okay, so we have to give, determine whether it is equivalent set or not. Okay, so before solving this problem, we should know what is equivalent sets. Okay, two finite sets capital A and capital B are said to be equivalent if they contain the same number of elements. Okay, so we have to check whether the two sets given have equal number or not. Okay, so first P is given, which is equal to x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. Okay, Q is the set of all prime factors of 220. Okay, so the condition for equivalent set is the cardinality of both sets must be equal. Okay, so first given that P equal to x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. This means the value of x starts from minus 3 and ends to 0, ends with 0. Okay, so the numbers are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay, so P is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay, so n of P equal to, there are 4 elements in the set P, so we can write n of P equal to 4. Okay, so another one set which is given is Q. Q equal to the set of all prime factors of 220. So we need to find what are the prime factors of 220. So 220 divided by 2 is 105. Okay, divided by 2. So we cannot solve it by 2. So Q divided by 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 1 parents 15, 5 3s are 15. Okay, so now we can divide it by 5. 7 5s are 35. Okay, so the prime factors of 220 are 2 3 5 7. Okay, so the set of all prime factors of 210 is Q equal to 2 3 5 7. So n of Q equal to, here also we have 4 elements. Okay, so Q contains 2 3 2 3 5 7. Okay, Q contains 2 3 5 7. So totally there are 4 elements in the set Q. So n of Q equal to 4. Okay, so now both P and Q has contain 4 elements. Okay, so since the elements are equal, the given sets P and Q are equivalent sets. Okay, next question. Are capital A equal to x such that n belongs to natural number capital N, 4 less than or equal to 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8, and b equal to 4 5 6 7 8 equals it. Okay, so we have to determine whether the given two sets A and B are equal or not. Okay, so the condition for two sets capital A and capital B are said to be equal if the element of capital A is a member of B and every element of capital B is a member of A. Okay, so we have to check whether this condition satisfied by whether the given set satisfy this condition or not. Okay, so we are going to check it out. So now the set A is capital A equal to x such that x belongs to capital N, 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. Okay, so we can write here the value of x takes from 4 to 8. Okay, 4 to 8 starts with 4 and ends with 8. So 4 to 8 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So capital A equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B is given 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From the given two sets, we can conclude that the elements in A are also the member of elements in B. Similarly, the elements in B are also the member of element A. Okay. So we can say that the given set are equal sets. Okay. So A and B are equal sets. Okay. A and B are equal sets. Okay.